Introduction: the importance of remote collaboration tools.
As remote work becomes standard for tech teams, having the right collaboration tools is crucial. Effective communication, project management, and seamless productivity depend on these platforms. In 2024, several tools stand out for their impact on teamwork and efficiency. Let's explore the top 5 essential remote collaboration tools every tech team should consider today.
Slack, streamlined communication.
Slack remains a leading communication platform for tech teams. Its organized channels, direct messaging, and easy integration with popular developer tools help streamline conversations. Slack also offers powerful search capabilities and customizable notifications, making it easy for remote teams to stay connected, share files, and keep discussions organized without overwhelming inboxes.
Zoom, reliable video conferencing.
Zoom continues to be a pillar for remote meetings and virtual face-to-face interactions. High-quality video and audio, combined with features like screen sharing, breakout rooms, and meeting recordings, make it essential for real-time collaboration. Zoom's reliability and ease of use support both daily stand-ups and complex technical discussions across distances.
GitHub, collaborative code management.
GitHub is indispensable for tech teams working on code. It provides cloud-based repositories, version control, and collaborative tools such as pull requests and issue tracking. GitHub facilitates teamwork by allowing developers to review code, track changes, and automate workflows, all while keeping projects organized and transparent.
Trello, visual project management.
Trello offers a flexible and easy-to-use platform to manage projects visually. Teams can create boards, lists, and cards to track tasks, prioritize work, and monitor progress in real time. With custom labels, due dates, and integrations, Trello helps remote tech teams coordinate development sprints, bug fixes, and product releases efficiently.
Notion, centralized knowledge and documentation.
Notion serves as an all-in-one workspace combining notes, documentation, wikis, and databases. Tech teams use Notion to store onboarding guides, meeting notes, project specs, and knowledge bases in a single, searchable hub. This ensures everyone has access to up-to-date information, making collaboration smooth and reducing information silos.
Conclusion: building strong remote teams.
Adopting the right tools can transform how tech teams collaborate remotely. Slack, Zoom, GitHub, Trello, and Notion each bring unique strengths to the table. Together, they help teams communicate, manage projects, write code, and share knowledge effectively, laying a strong foundation for success in remote and hybrid tech environments.